Destruction of infrastructure. Nuclear weapons don't just kill people, they erase entire cities from the map. The blast wave generated by a nuclear explosion is so powerful that it can demolish skyscrapers, bridges, roads, and critical infrastructure within seconds. Power plants, hospitals, communication networks, and transportation systems are instantly wiped out, leaving survivors isolated and helpless. The heat from the explosion ignites fires that merge into massive firestorms, consuming everything flammable and making rescue efforts nearly impossible. Without roads or communication, emergency services cannot reach those in need, and the chaos spirals out of control. The destruction extends underground as well, damaging water and sewage systems, leading to contamination and disease outbreaks. In modern cities, where infrastructure is densely packed and interconnected, the ripple effects of such devastation would cripple entire regions economically and socially. This level of destruction means that rebuilding would take decades if it's even possible. The obliteration of infrastructure highlights the fact that nuclear war is not just about immediate loss of life. It's about annihilating the very foundations that support human civilization.